Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sugan Khanna, AWS Solution Architect Associate Certified and Aqua Certified Drupal 8. Today we will gonna discuss the step 10 of CI/CD pipeline. It's a very simple and basic step, and we have done this kind of stuff so many times in the previous sessions. So here we are just installing Git package on our Jenkins. For this, what we need to do is log into my Putty session. Via Putty, log into my Jenkins server. Here I am. I'm logged into my this Jenkins server. You can check the IP over here. It's a public IP. Now I'm doing sudo su to get the root access. Fine, and I'm just giving the command yum install git. Why? Okay, so git is successfully installed. You can check the git version over here. The version is 2.37.1. That's all for the session. Thank you and have a great day.